weather is lashing parts of Queensland with hail and damaging winds expected to hit the southeast. For more, let's bring in 9 News weather presenter Gary Youngbury from Surfers Paradise on the Gold Coast. Gary, good morning. How bad, how severe will these storms be?
Oh, Sylvia, all the ingredients are there for, damaging winds and large hailstones. What we have is heat that's building today. We've had a bit of a low-intensity heat wave for southeast Queensland over the long weekend. Another day into the 30s again today. But a southerly change that went through Sydney overnight is making its way up the New South Wales coast. That'll collide with this warm, humid air. And this afternoon, we're expecting severe thunderstorms anywhere to fire up south of the border, as far south as around Coffs Harbour, right up to around Bundaberg. So it's quite a large area. We will see some hailstones and those damaging winds. We got a little bit of a taste yesterday afternoon around the Sunshine Coast, some small hail around Maleny, and Gympie had some trees uprooted, but that was just a little bit of an entree of what's heading our way for this afternoon. But they will be widespread over a large area, Sylvia.
Which areas would you expect to be hit hardest, Gary, and how long will this last, this weather?
Well, it's really the start of thunderstorm season, Sylvia. Today we'll probably see the worst of the storms anywhere just south of our border up to around Bundaberg I mentioned. But then as we move into Wednesday, I think we'll see further thunderstorm activity here around Brisbane, Gold Coast, southeast Queensland. But those severe storms are likely to sneak a little bit further north. So we've got 2 days of potentially severe storms, but really it is the start of season, as I mentioned, and we've got quite a few months worth as we get into what will be expecting a very warm spring and summer.
Yeah, southeast Queenslanders know the drill. Let's hope everyone heeds the advice. Gary Youngbury from Queensland, we appreciate it. Thank you.